Hey guys, I'm 15. I make around 3.2K a month by spending 5 minutes a day doing YouTube, and I'm gonna just show you guys what I do. Oh, and I also have that thing. So first things first, I hop on my PC, I go on TikTok, and I go to the Angry Asians videos because this is who I repost. I basically just repost his TikTok content, and whenever I just pick a video, copy it, and I copy the link. After I get the link, I go to this site called Snapchat to download the video from TikTok with no watermark. After you download the video, put it in CapCut and drag the video here. Then you want to change the speed by going to the top right, speed. Change it to like 1.5 to 1.6 is good. After changing speed, you want to go to audio and then voice changer. And then you want to go to where it says hi. And then make the pitch. Oh, you can hear it. Then you want to make the pitch 22. Then you want to add your gameplay. And then go to captions. Then go to templates. And then pick the template you like. I usually do this one. And then generate your captions. After it's done generating, drag it to the middle, and you're ready to export. After you export, you could upload it on TikTok and YouTube, and you could just put the text and titles of whatever it is, whatever the video is about, and upload it onto there. And that's how I make over 3K a month by straight up just posting other people's content, and it takes 5 minutes. And make sure to join my Discord, link in bio, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Last month, I made over $35,000 using just my phone, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Basically, I run YouTube Shorts channels like this one that get hundreds of millions of views per month. But the best part is, I do all of this without showing my face. This is because YouTube has started paying hundreds of dollars for every million views that YouTube Shorts get. And what no one realizes is you can actually make viral shorts in just a few minutes using AI. So here's exactly how I do this so you can copy me and do it too. First, you got to choose a niche for your channel. Ranking videos like these are pretty much the best niche right now. Next, you're gonna go over to viblo.ai and scroll down to the ranking videos section. Then just choose a topic for your video and go find some viral clips on TikTok that fit that topic. Once you find some good clips, paste the links into Viblo and the AI will generate a viral short that you can post onto YouTube and get paid for. Just one channel like this has made me over $150,000 in the last 6 months. So if you want a full 20-minute video breaking down exactly how to do this in detail, just comment the word viral and I'll send it to you.
This kid became a millionaire at just 16. The most you've generated on even one account is roughly $600,000. Here's how. $600,000 at 15 years old. Yeah, I did that when I was 15. So break that down a little bit. How do you actually do it? I create content on celebrities, on news. I make satisfying videos as well. And I just create engaging videos on unique stories every day. And we just pump like 10 videos out a day on multiple accounts. What was your parents' reaction to you making $600,000 at 15? And they didn't believe it was real. They thought I faked the numbers on my screen, but they think it's really insane. Is it possible to show us some of the numbers on your phone? Because, you know, people gonna be watching this like, ain't no way this kid is making this money. So in 8 days on one of my shows, I've made 40 grand so far in September. You're still in high school? I just dropped out like 3 weeks ago.